Hiya friends, Prepared Suburbanite back at you. Well, we have been through all kinds of stuff this week. We've had a team of contractors in doing some major repairs to the interior of our home. And of course there's dust everywhere, there was. Uh, but they did a great job of repairing the kitchen ceiling, getting all new sheetrock put up, taping, spackling, and painting that whole ceiling, the a hallway, and all the way upstairs, painted the whole thing, tore down the popcorn ceiling, and we just had all kinds of disruptions for the whole week. Spent most of the time just outdoors instead of indoors because the house was such a mess. But what I'd like to do today is one of the other little projects that I've been working on around here. So this project is designed to basically relocate our solar panels here back about 10 feet. And what it involved was tearing up a whole neglected corner of our fenced-in yard that that I put up. Put the fence up for the dog, and it over the last couple of years, it has just gone crazy with the English ivy infiltrating pretty much every space. There's a spot right over here where I think if you can look through the fence, you can see what I was up against here with all the English ivy that had been growing on the surface of this area. And as we come back around here, now we can see that it's fairly well cleaned up. I've still got some raking to do, some minor little cleanup. I've got this stack of firewood here that I've got to relocate a little bit, and some of this stuff needs to be culled through and gotten rid of. Looks like the tarps have all degraded over time, and that's just kind of bad things that happen when you're out in the weather. But these solar panels need to be moved back, and that's going to give us a little bit more coverage from the sun, which you can see is going to be right up there, and it'll open up another small area for an expansion of our garden. And that's what we've been working on, or what I've been working on this week. And it's been an awful lot of really hard work to get this down to bare soil. After we get things relocated, I got to pick up some straw and some grass seed, and we'll throw that out here. Hopefully things will take, and we can get this growing back so that it looks halfway decent again. So that's what has been going on the outside. I'll show you here in a second what the inside is looking like. So here's the new kitchen ceiling, all done and trimmed all the way around. The light fixtures have been reset, and it really does look very nicely done. The crew really did a great job. Out here, hopefully there's enough light to see. All that was up there was popcorn ceiling, and we had them take all that down, repaint, restain, clean up everything around here, and then all the way upstairs we got all new doors all painted, and the ceiling, or the attic access, and all this has been done. That whole area back in there was all popcorn type ceiling, and that's all been done, all painted, all cleaned up very nice. And the colors, that's a baby blue, and it really does accent, I think, very nicely. But this crew really did a super great job, and they're local, and I believe in maintaining our local businesses. So the weather today is frightful. It's going to be cloudy, rainy all day long, possible thunderstorms and high winds this afternoon. And that's what we can expect this time of the year in North Carolina. This is the Prepared Suburbanite reminding you to be prepared always. And I'll see y'all on the next video.